Hi, this is John Walsh, and this is my activity for my fifth grade social studies project that we have been working on with homeschooling program. The basis of this project, you'll choose a historical research and write a report on major events in U.S. history. In this report, you'll answer the question, why is my event important in U.S. history? To do this, you'll need to research the event, including its causes and effects, show your creativity, words and pictures. I expect you will all check your grammar and punctuation as well. You can choose to use PowerPoint, Prezi, or any other form of web-based tools you can utilize to write your research paper. American events. Select your resources and create a bibliography during weeks 1 and 2. Choose a topic, then work on your bibliography. You'll need to have 4 resources, 2 books, 2 of them to be online. Make sure all citations are in APA format with 12 times Roman. Submit to me at the end of the week on week 2. On the next slide, you'll be able to choose one of the many different topics of your personal interest from the listed form. The list does have quite a bit of information. It does have different variations, so it can be on something you might personally have interest, like the rise of the Mayan civilization, the first U.S. president, the Alamo, Civil War trials of tears, Edison's inventions of the light bulb, Panama Canal, child labor laws, the Great Depression, Martin Luther King and his civil rights as a leader. This gives a vast variety, so if people might want to choose something that touches based on their diversity, their culture, or their personal interests, it gives them a wide variety to choose from for their social studies project. During weeks 3 and 4, the American Event Web Outline, you'll create a web outline for your report. You must create a web outline today. You'll continue to work on your American Event portfolio. You have already gathered resources made from your bibliography, originally from weeks 1 and 2. Now you'll choose your resources to develop separate web outlines to organize important facts and information. You will use this information later to write your report. Be sure to read all your resources thoroughly and create your web outlines. Below is a list of requirements for each of your outlines. Causes of your events, 3 causes. Effects of your event, 3 to 4 effects. Important information about your event that answer the questions who, what, where, when, and why. 5 to 6 pieces of information complete. And then please submit this portfolio to me by the end of week 4. During weeks 5 and 6, the American Event note taken for your paper. You will continue to work on your American Event research paper. Collect the resources identified during Part 1 and the web outlines created by Part 2. You'll use these to help take notes on the causes and effects, important information about your event. This will start to put your paper together and start the formation of it. You'll want to be able to label each index card on an unlined slide. Label each card with the section and the idea. You'll do this by using your web outline sources from Part 2. Then on the line side of the note cards, the cause and how it led to the event. At the top of the line side, list your source and your references. Keep them organized, complete all, and submit them by the end of week 6. During weeks 7 and 8, continue to work on your paper and the American Event rough and final drafts. Write a rough draft, revise, and submit your final draft. Create an illustrated title page, submitted to me by the end of week 8. One of the things that makes this very important for the students is they get to pick their own paper. They get to learn how to put a paper together properly, answer the questions who, what, where, when, and why. And they get to learn how important causes and effects and how they're related and why they are so important. One of the great things about this paper, I think it's very important, especially as a learning coach helping 5th graders, is they get to learn about history. They find something that they personally enjoy about it, and they can share it with the other students And this is a basis for them, especially during fifth grade, where it's a transition year, going into sixth grade, where they'll be doing a lot more reading and writing. This will help them prepare them for their next grade level, and they'll have a strong basis to work on.